Good morning, everyone. I am Shinde Krishna, Assistant Teacher of English, Sri Vardhaman Hindi High School, Raichur. Today, I am taking a lesson through this small video clip for 10th standard student, and this lesson is about the first lesson, that is Chanakya and Rakshasa. We are taking such type of virtual lessons for 10th standard students due to the COVID crisis. This is the small try to reach our students, as we are not able to gather in our schools due to the lockdown for whole nation. Schools are closed, and here in this first lesson, Chanakya and Rakshasa, this lesson is based on the true friendship between Rakshasa and Chandan Das. The main intention behind this lesson is the true friendship between Chandan Das and Rakshasa. Here, before going to learn about the lesson, there is a small pre-reading activity, and this is the story of Tenali Rama and Krishna Devaraya. So, the small story is about the wise minister or the wise jester of Krishna Devaraya called Tenali Rama. As Tenali Rama was a wise person and he was a jester at the court of Krishna Devaraya, he used to solve so many problems easily. He used to answer the toughest question easily, and due to that he got so many prizes and valuable things and jewels from the king. He has become a rich man, and when he became a rich man, he was easy target for the thief. So the thief planned to steal the things from valuable things from his house, and the thieves were there present there behind his house. When Krishna Devaraya get to know about that the some thieves are there behind my house, so he started speaking loudly with his wife that I have got so many valuable things in our house from the king. So there is a what we call there is a we are the easy target for the thieves, and thieves may stole our valuable things. And he says that we have to keep all these valuable things and ornaments, keep somewhere, safe somewhere. So what we have to do, here he tells loudly to his wife that we have to put all these jewels and ornaments in a big wooden box, and we have to throw that box into the well which is there in our house yard. And when those thieves listen to that loud announcement by the Tenali Rama, they wait outside the house, and at the midnight those thieves heard that he has thrown something big in a well. And what the Tenali Rama has thrown in that well, he thrown a box which contains so many heavy stones in that. And the next night the thief came there, and they completely draw the water out of the well, and finally they lift the box from the well, and they found that nothing was there, only big stones were there in that box. And thieves were very tired by by lifting that air, by lifting that water from the well. They were tired, and it was the time of early morning, so they went away. And the next day in the court of King Tenali Rama identified those thieves, and he told them that thank you very much for watering the garden of my house yard through the night, and he ordered the police that to arrest those thieves. In this way, whenever the wise man can solve many problems, and such mans can be very helpful for the nation if they become ministers, or if they hold the responsible post at the king's court. In the same way, Chanakya also was a minister, and he asked Dhanananda, the king of Magadha, for ministership, and when Dhanananda refused him to give a ministership, so he was a wise man, and he took a oath that in front of Dhanananda, he took a oath, and he challenged Dhanananda that I will definitely dethrone you one day. And finally he planned so many things against Dhanananda, because he hated Dhanananda, because Dhanananda was not a responsible king. He was not careful about his subject, his people. He was a selfish king, he was a tyrant king. That is why he wanted to dethrone him and make what we call another king who was able to hold that post. And he searched for so many days, and when he knows that that youngster Krishna Devaraya can kill Dhanananda, and he can become a king. He has all the qualities to become a king. When he identified those qualities in Chandragupta, he take Chandragupta to the Dhanananda's court and challenged him for single combat, and in a single combat Chandragupta has killed Dhanananda and became the king. And there was a chaos in the court. All the people were running helter skelter, and there were so many able ministers also there, but they ran away. Among those ministers, the famous minister, the able minister, the wise minister Rakshasa also was there, and he also ran away, and he was hiding somewhere. And Chanakya knows that if Rakshasa helps Chandragupta to rule the nation will be prosperous. And as Rakshasa has the capacity to govern, he has the capacity to lead the or guide the king, and the people also listen to him, and he even has the capacity to turn the people against even the Chandragupta also. That is why Chanakya he had a choice, what we call first choice, to make him a minister. Otherwise he has to be finished from the path of Chandragupta. But he was hiding somewhere, so he find out his faithful minister called Chandandas, and Chandandas was arrested. And Chandandas, even Chanakya asked Chandandas that Rakshasa is your faithful minister, he is your true friend, he is a faithful friend, so where he is, call him, and we will offer him the post of minister. But being a loyal friend, being a faithful friend, Chandandas did not reveal anything to the Chanakya. So that Chanakya hit another plan. He arrested Chandandas and put him in a jail, and he announced through the state that if Rakshasa do not come forward within fortnight, his true friend Chandandas would be beheaded, would be killed in front of the square, in front of the palace. And in this way, that news spread like a wildfire throughout the nation, and even the and even Rakshasa also knows that if he do not go and speak with Chanakya, definitely they will kill my dear friend Chandandas also. He wait for 14 days. Days passed. The 15th day arise, and Chanakya called the police and ordered them to bring Chandandas to the square, that they will behead or they will kill Chandandas, because the Rakshasa is not coming forward. So we have to kill him. And Chandandas have been brought to the square. So many people gathered there. The people were very curious that what will happen to Chandandas. And the order of killing of Chandandas have been read out. And the person who was ready there with the sword in his hand, he raised his hand when he, with the order. The same time, a person in a mud and dust came forward who was very tired, and he told that stop, stop, do not kill Chandandas. Here I am. Whoever you want to seek, here I am. Spare Chandandas. All the people said that, oh, it is Minister Rakshasa. Then Rakshasa was welcomed there by Chanakya, and Chanakya convinced Rakshasa that Dhanananda was not a good king. You was serving there. Here, for the welfare of our nation, you have to become a minister, and you under the leadership of Chandragupta, and under the guidance of you, the nation will prosper. In this way, Chandandas, Rakshasa was made minister, and Chandandas was treated finally with the honor, and Chanakya offered so many prizes to Chandandas. In this way, here what we learn through these events, we learn that there is a true friendship between Chandandas and Rakshasa. So, Chandandas was not ready to reveal the address of Rakshasa. Even his life was in danger. So here what happens? True friends care for our friends, even for the sake of their own life. And in the same way, Rakshasa also was a true and faithful and caring friend. When his dear friend was about to kill, Rakshasa came forward and they saved the life of his true friend Chandandas. That is true friendship. What we have to develop among ourselves. We have to develop a friendship with such a good friends. We have to we should not develop a friendship with the cheaters or faithless friends. That is the thing we have to learn in this lesson. And there are the statements made by Chandandas, made by the people, made by the Chanakya. We have to read those statements carefully, as these can be asked as a reference in our SSLC exam. For example, oh, this is Chandandas. Oh, it is Rakshasa. Oh, it is Minister Rakshasa. Who said this? the people gathered there said this. Such type of questions will be asked. Who was this said to? It was said to Chanakya. And why did they say so? They say so that Rakshasa came forward. Such type of questions will be asked in your exam. We have to read those statements carefully and be prepared for our forthcoming exams, tests and SSLC board exam also. In this way we have discussed about the true friendship between uh, Rakshasa and Chandandas, and the historical fact about the dethroning of Dhanananda by the Chanakya with the help of Chandragupta Maurya. In this way we have finished this lesson. If you have any doubt, you can ask anytime on my personal mobile number. I will share that number in your group. So thank you for listening, and during this COVID crisis you have to be very careful. You have to be there in your house. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.